Hey everybody, so I've been practicing Hawaiian and testing my Hawaiian language skills online. I love dancing hula. I'm a dancer and one of the dances I do is hula. So I wanted to have a connection with the dance by learning some more Hawaiian words, Hawaiian phrases. I know some Hawaiian, but very, very little, not enough to communicate. So I'm working on that. I'm going to do a placement test on Duolingo and I'm going to try that now with you guys. Where I'm at. The house, easy.
Ka, hale. E.
Oh, way. So let me try that again.
E.
Hey Hamana. Hey Hamana. Lo ihi. Oya. Oya is for he and. This is a large breadfruit. Okay.
Keia.
The day of the show is a holiday.
Ka.
I don't know. Nope. Hey lanui ka la o ka. Okay, I got this mixed up. Is he in the bedroom?
Ka.
Oops, okay.
Ka.
Yes. Koala la maka.
Koala ka makua kane.
Oh, I don't know what koala means. Grills? Yes. What day of the week is tomorrow?
Ka. Ka.
Oh, I had it right before. Okapo ahia ka la opopo.
E ai ka aua I ka mua koala.
Let's eat barbecue chicken. Oh, let's. Right.
A ole au make I ka mea ula ula.
I don't like the red one. I don't want, or I don't like the red one.
E.
Oh, shoot. I don't know if it's pulehu or puhi.
Oi.
Ka.
Oh, I was right.
Ka. Hale.
Oops. Okay. Ikapaka.
Hale.
Oops.
Ka.
Ho'oma'ema'e o ke oki I ka hapalua hola ekahi o ke awakea.
Oh no. Okay, so maybe if I listen to it again, I can try to figure out what.
Ho'oma'ema'e o ke oki I ka hapalua hola ekahi o ke awakea.
Okay, Keoki does something. He cleans at 1:30 midday. Oh, I got that right. That was hard. Okay, continue. Come on now. What's going on? Okay, Keoki broils sausage. Koala o Keoki ika na
Ka.
kake. Ika na ao kake. Yep, got that right.
E huli hema ma ke la wahi.
E huli hema ma ke la wahi. Turn left at that place. Yes.
Ma kau kau ka ai.
The food is ready.
Ma kau kau ka ai.
Ma kau kau ka ai. I like to practice whenever they demonstrate how to pronounce it. I like to pronounce it too. I know my pronunciation isn't that good, but okay, we just had this. Ma kau kau ka ai.
Ka. E wehe I ke kalipa ke komo I ka hale.
This is something that we do in Asian culture too. E wehe I ke kalipa ke komo I ka hale.
E wehe I ke kalipa ke komo I ka hale.
And sometimes it's not a direct translation.
Ko utu tu. Ka ke kanaka pa.
Ka ke kanaka pa.
Ka ke kanaka pa.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's see.
Keiki.
Oh, I got that right. I wasn't sure if I was.
Ke kupuna o ke keiki.
Possession in Hawaiian is hard for me, so I'm surprised I got that last one right. Okay, this one is
Ke kupuna o ke keiki.
ke kupuna o ke keiki. Ke puna, I remember, is like ancestor, so I think it's, yep, it's also another word you can use for grandparent.
He poki'i ke la haumana.
He poki'i ke la hamana. So something about that student. I think poki'i is like youngest child. Let's see. Yes, I'm right.
Nā wei ke la mau mea pa'ani. Nā wei ke la mau mea pa'ani.
Now wei ke la mau mea pa'ani. As asking a question, something, I know ke la is that. Mea is like a thing, toy. Oh, whose toys are those? Yes. Deductive logic, guys. Yay! Duolingo is, so that was my placement in Hawaiian for Duolingo. Let's see how I do next time.